Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noval Adi Nugroho. Today I want to present our project. The topic is Basic SCADA Training Module, and the code PBL is PBL MK 2019. And this is our name of member. The first is Pasca Afriyadi Sinaga, John Michael, Samuel Silutonga, Anugrah Sujatmiko, Gofri Agam Saputra, Bintang Kurniawan Setiokiton, Novel Adi Nugroho, and Adi Nurjana. And this is our picture of the team. This is me, Novel Adi Nugroho, and this is Bintang Kurniawan Setiokiton. This is Gofri Agam Saputra. This is Pasca Afriyadi Senaga. This is John Michael. This is Adi Nurjana, and this is Samuel Silitonga. I'm sorry if Anugrah Sujatmiko is not in this picture. And the next is work breakdown structure. I am Noval Adi Nugroho. My responsibility in the team is creating module and reports, identifying programming, and input PLC address into Excel.
Good evening, sir. I am Pasca Prisnaga. My job desk is making a PLC program and SCADA. PLC program I use Machine Expert because our PLC, the firmware is version 5, and we to use Machine Expert and cannot use some machine. And the SCADA we can use VGO Designer from Machine Expert. From the timeline, the first one is identification. Identification is the job desk of Gofri Raisa Saputra, Anugrah, Naval, and Pasca. And the second is electrical, lead by Naval, and the member is Bintang and John. And then the third is mechanical. Mechanical is Samuel. The fourth is program PLC and SCADA. And the leader is me, Pasca. We can see timeline in this layer. Okay, next I will explain about assembly process. Assembly process. Machine is a machine that works to unit the workspace pieces that have been selected by the sorting machine. The process of uniting work pieces on the assembly machine uses bolts. The objective is participant. The first one is participant know and understand how the assembly process machine works. The second one is participant know the electrical and pneumatic components on the assembly process machine. And then participant can program and explain the work process of the assembly process machine. And then participant able to make the design of the assembly process machine. And the last, participant able to solve problems related to mechanical and electrical assembly process machine. The next slide will explain it by Samuel.
I will continue the presentation. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Samuel Silitonga. NIM 4 212001035. Okay, I will continue the presentation in slide 8, system block diagram. Before that, in this project, I will test the PLC program that has been made and help making SCADA. Okay, system block diagram. So, system block diagram start in the first. Please place product to holder cylinder. And next, please press start button. So the cylinders carrying the product will move forward. And next, cylinder that hold the screwdriver will move down. The screwdriver is active. When finished, cylinder screwdriver will move up. And next, the cylinder carry the product will move backward. So the product will be transferred to pallet, and the last conveyor active. Finish. Okay. Here we start from stacker and MCB is on. PLC will be active. To connect Wago Modbus to PLC, we need cable LAN. And to connect PLC to PC, we need USB mini bay. Okay, next. Line diagram. Okay, we start from MCB. If MCB on and the power switch is active, inactive, the conveyor and Wago will be active. Here to activate the conveyor, help by using relay. And if we press the push button, cycle is run. Okay, next. The next slide, Selenium circuit will be continue presentation. My friend is Don Mikael. Thank you.
Selamat malam, nama saya John Mikael. Saya akan menjelaskan apa itu address I/O. Address I/O itu data yang akan dituliskan ke port yang alamatnya ditunjukkan pada I/O. I/O itu input atau output. Untuk di I/O-nya, di PBL kami, PBL Assembly Process, kami memakai software mesin expert yang kami gunakan untuk mencari input atau output pada mesin assembly process dengan cara menghubungkan PLC ke software mesin expert. yang nantinya di dalam software tersebut ada yang namanya digital input. Di dalam digital input tersebut, kita bisa breakdown untuk list input ataupun outputnya. Kita bisa melihat alamat yang sudah di wiring. Untuk input sendiri kita memakai %EX, dan kalau output kita memakai QX. Untuk contoh input dan outputnya yang sudah kami dapatkan, contohnya untuk input %EX 6.0 yaitu di stopper A. Lalu untuk input tombol start %EX 17,5. Contoh untuk pemakaian outputnya, kita memakai %QX 6.1 yaitu lampu start. Itulah contoh berikut untuk I/O yang kami dapatkan. Jadi untuk fungsi I/O tersebut yang bertanggung jawab atas pengontrolan data atau atas pengontrol sebuah perangkat eksternal. Jadi perangkat I/O memungkinkan komputer untuk menerima data dari penggunanya. Lalu si pengguna menampilkan hasilnya dan memprosesnya. Sekian dan terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name Adi Nurjana. I am from PBL Basic SCADA Training Module Assembly Process. My job desk is identify the concept of how the tool working the machine assembly process and help making a modules. And I will explain about test and result experiment on machine assembly process. The tests we carry out are in the form of direct testing on machine movement. And I will show you a video program experiment on our machine assembly process during the PBL. We also carry out tests aimed and calibrating the engine movement and also whether the program is appropriate or not. And the second, we also carry out tests on SCADA system, whether it is functioning properly or there are still deficiencies. Okay, thank you.
Introduce my name is Gabriel Saputra, NIM 42121111005. My job deck is the electrical section, in particular different electrical components, standard analysis, electrical circuit, and support program PLC. Okay, here is the program on the PLC. You can see we use several panel button, namely emergency, home button, start, and button stop. And there are several programs that can be seen in the picture.
I am Bintang Kurniawan Setiagiton. My duties and responsibilities of the team. My job is retrieving standard mechanical part data and measuring training kit tool. Obstacles encountered. For the obstacles we faced was the first time when programming the PLC. We had difficulties to to an error when programming the PLC. And the second problem is we wanted to make the SCADA. We used the video the signal software when we wanted to make it. It turned out that the application had expired and we had to reinstall it. And the third problem is the electrical wiring on the machine. Sometimes the machine tends to turn itself off due to loose loop. Okay, and evaluation and future suggestion. The first obstacles we faced while working on this PBL was the lack of information on the making SCADA. We have looked for references on internet and YouTube, but we still have difficulties when we want to make it. The second obstacle is the limited time for us to complete this project. Many students find it difficult to come to this PBL due to sinus shock as work. And also in our group, there are several students who are already in semester 6. And because of different semester, it makes it difficult for us to meet and do PBL together. Because there are always obstacles of work, or there are courses the night is mandatory to go. We hope that in the future the problem can be resolved, such as there is no semester distance in one group, and also that there are resources of references given to work on projects that we have never studied in the class.
Hello, my name is Anugrah Jinmiko, NIM 4212 and my job in PBL is testing SCADA on the mechanic and adjusting coding. Okay, I will present evaluation and future suggestion. Okay, the first obstacle we faced while working on the PBL was the lack of information on making SCADA. We have looked for reference on the internet and on YouTube, but we still have difficulties when we want to make it. The second obstacle is the limit time for us to complete this project. Many students find it difficult to come to do this PBL due to business such as work, and also in one group there are several students who are already in semester 6, and because of different semester it make it different for us to make and do PBL together. Because there are always obstacles such as work, or there are courses that night it is mandatory to come. We hope that in the future this problem can be resolved, such as there is no semester distance in one group, and also that there are resources of reference give to work on project that we have never studied in class. Okay, conclusion. The result we got during the PBL where we were able to learn and observe about the assembly project mechanic. We can also let pneumatic circuit and also make electric design of their mechanic. Of then mechanism. We also learn how to make SCADA and how to operate that controller. And we also learn how to connect SCADA with PLC, which must adjust input and output variable so that it become a control system. This is automation. Okay, thanks all for our presentation today, and thank you so much for your attention.